What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up again. Man, we got some good news here. I know the markets are looking bad right now, compared to what everybody's expecting, where the market currently right now is up 1%. We just had a very bloody couple weeks right now, especially this last week. Things are down. We got some green coming in today. Right now we can see Bitcoin up 1%, and it's because it's just after midnight in some places. ETH up 1%. We got BNB up 2.7%. Solana at 4.65%. So the market is trying to pick up, but we got some good news here. So once we, now I want y'all to take advantage of some of these discounts real quick. We got 10% off on Bitcoin, 13% off on Ethereum, 11% off on BNB, 16.95% off, basically 17% off Solana for the week right now, y'all. 7% off XRP, another 7% about off Polkadot, 22% off of Terra today. Don't ignore this. Another 20% off Avalanche today. Y'all, this is a major discount sale. Now I'm going to show y'all why y'all should not be worried right here. Now this is something that I just understand already, but I can see that a lot of new people are coming to the channel. A lot of people that haven't been with us earlier on that don't know how to use these indicators. But what I'm doing is going to Bitcoin right now. We're on the day chart. And what I want to show y'all is something that I use called the Bollinger Bands. Now this tells me what the price is like, which range the price is likely to stay within. So if you notice here that on the daily chart on Bitcoin, you notice we're trading right at the bottom on these Bollinger Bands. Notice what happened once the price touched the Bollinger Band, once it rolled all the way down here, and you see what happens once we enter this range right here. Every time we enter this range, the price is bought up immediately right to this range. So that we got a green candle coming here right at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. That's a good sign that things are likely to turn around. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not guaranteed what's likely to, this is not guaranteed to happen, but this means this could be what's likely to happen. Now, once we use that indicator, we can also look left in the chart and see the wick was wicked down to this area, which showed us that Bitcoin wanted to retest this area anyway. Then if we look left again, we can notice we see some market structure here, which shows us we have support in this range. Notice what happens in this range. If you look at this candle right here, smart money stepped in right here at the bottom and continued to buy it. Now, what happens when smart money enters the chart? When you can identify smart money in the chart, it's easy because smart money will always protect itself. No matter what you see it doing for the meantime, it will trick you and fake you out and do all types of things. But at the end of the day, we know smart money is going to protect its own money. Notice where did we get another green candle to find support? Right where we see smart money stepped in at. So, don't be tricked out by these things. If you don't understand this information or how to do technical analysis or interpret this data on the chart, please reach out to me via email. My technical analysis course is more kind of suited for those that have over $1,000 or more invested into cryptocurrencies and are ready to take things to the next level. That course is going to help you understand what I'm seeing here and just basically teach you why you shouldn't be worried. Now, with us understanding that Bitcoin is at a key support level right now, we can go back and look at some other cryptocurrencies because we know Bitcoin is basically the head to the market. So now we can see Shib is up 1.59% today, and right now is down 12% for the week, which is a major buying opportunity, y'all. I called this out. Now, a lot of people were disappointed in saying, and I could tell they were new people to the channel. It was none of my OGs to the channel, but some new people saying, hey, you haven't made a Shiba Inu video in a couple days. Like, y'all, what do y'all want me to do? Beat a dead horse? I can't. If there's no news going on, if it's nothing exciting, nothing major, I don't just want to, continue to report. Don't get me wrong. I do generally, on the daily report on Shib, regardless of what's happening. But when it's, stagnant for this long, we can give it a couple days rest in between. You don't have to just always check Shib. There's other plays. If some of y'all been jumping in on those other plays I called, we've been making money on those other plays. If you've been getting in those plays and taking your profit, those other plays are allowing us to make money during times like this when Shiba Inu is down. And how we can find these other plays is from using technical analysis to understand when to enter and when to exit these positions. So don't panic if you don't see me upload about Shib for 2 days, 3 days. That does not mean I'm not a investor anymore. I all of a sudden lost faith in Shib. No, not at all. I just understand this is a part of the market cycle. This is a part of the psychology of the markets. This is a part of the game, y'all. So get used to it, Understand, if you would have been bought in when I was making videos earlier, earlier this year, you would have been fine. where the prices we're at right now, the people who've been bought in, have been following my channel, they're fine right now. But if you just came, you have to just be patient and wait your turn. You know, stay down for the come up. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I was going to go into some, you know, why the market was down. We got some news, you know, talking about Bitcoin slumps to a 3-month low as cryptocurrencies extend losses, but blah, 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 blah. You know, it's more FUD, more, you know, more things to shake the market up. Really, they're talking about how the Fed, you know, basically announced that they will be pulling back some of the pandemic spending, basically, or all the stipend money they're giving out to people and things like that. But that's all, you know, we see those things happening. Also, we seen one of the main countries was, I think it's Kazakhstan, was basically stopped from mining cryptocurrency. Let's see, okay, so Kazakhstan, the world's second largest Bitcoin mining hub, is also weighing on crypto losses because they were basically banned from mining crypto, if I'm not mistaken. But we see this happen all the time. I don't want y'all to get confused or tripped up too much on what the news is saying. That's all a part of it. The market makers are running the market down so they can buy it up for the cheap. And guess what? Next thing you know, it's going to pump and make higher highs than this. You're going to be sick with it if you miss these times. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. Do not go risk your house and all this type of stuff, you know, and act crazy. Only risk what you're willing to lose, so that way you don't become a panic seller. But you know, you're going to be sick if you see this price. You know, it was here today. I think, you know, I called that we might see the lowest. I called this in my videos before we got down to this range. I told you, I said it was likely we would see the 29s or the 27 range at the lowest. I said I didn't want to see that. I didn't want the price to pull back, but I told y'all when we were seeing this, I thought we would see some resistance right here in this range, and it would retest down here where we see support. So that's what happened. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. I'm gonna let y'all go do some due diligence on some other projects. If y'all are in my private Discord, congratulations. We've been knocking some plays out the park. And that's all we got for this video, and we are out.